In this video, a man stands outside someone's house, not knowing where he is, and his actions are not safe. He's like a lost explorer, but without a map or permission. The homeowners are like guardians of their castle, using a doorbell intercom to speak and hopefully scare the man away.
The door! You better leave! I'm calling the police! Get out of here! Linda, call the police! Don't open the door, Linda. Call the police! Don't open the door!
This video tells a story of how technology keeps us safe, even when the unexpected happens at our doorstep. In sunny Miami, Florida, there's a hilarious yet risky incident caught on a Ring camera. A guy finds himself in quite a pickle, wrapped up in an extension cord like a human burrito. The unsuspecting homeowner stumbles upon this comical sight. With bated breath, we watch as the situation unfolds. In the video, you can see a man wearing a hoodie. He's coming closer to a bike, like he wants to take it. It's not clear what he wants to steal, but he's up to something sneaky. But guess what? The homeowner saw everything happening.
Get out of there! Get out of there!
You see a person trying to be a master of reverse driving, but uh-oh. They crash right into the parked car behind them. That's not just an ordinary oopsie. She seems pretty distressed. It's crucial to be careful when navigating in reverse. In Portland, Oregon, there's a bit of a commotion going on. Downstairs lives a neighbor who seems to be very, very displeased with the ruckus originating from upstairs.
Hello. Hey, just have a really nice question to ask you guys. I'm downstairs with my neighbor. We're trying to visit. All morning long, all we're hearing is... Can you keep it quiet? Yeah, please.
After a while, she comes back again, but now with increased aggression. She vehemently complains about the noise coming from the house.
Yeah, if you thought that was funny, it wasn't. If you want us to call the cops and report you for noise ordinance, because this goes on 24/7.
I have a toddler. You can call the police all you like, because you guys stay on my feelings all the time. So go ahead and call the police so we can report it right back. I have a...
Go right ahead.
Call the cops yourself.
Go right ahead. We have the right to live in a peaceful community, and you're out here banging around 24/7.
If you don't like it, buy a house. So there's an apartment downstairs.
A video from a Ring camera in Detroit, Michigan captures a mysterious figure, and we're about to dive into the action. With bated breath, we'll uncover what's going on. This person stands by the door, speaking into the intercom, their voice laced with a sense of urgency and desperation, begging for entry.
Well, please let me in, please. My name is Mel Gray. I'm Mel Gray Jr. Mel Gray is my father. He's a famous baseball player. You can look it up. Please, you have a Ring doorbell now. Please let me in. I don't know if you're a ma'am or a sir. Please open the door. Please. 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 It's cold out here, ma'am.
A doorbell camera captured the menacing scene. Two armed men robbing an innocent worker. The danger loomed as they searched for their prey. Surprisingly, these robbers bizarrely obeyed traffic rules as they tracked their target. With a chilling approach, they closed in on their victim, ready to execute their sinister plan. Imagine this. A man, captured by a Ring camera, stars in an unexpected home drama. There he is, right on your doorbell screen, trying to fiddle with your front door, perhaps eyeing your precious possessions.
Yo. Wrong apartment, dude.
The world outside is dark, and this daring intruder thinks he's invisible, but the camera's unblinking eye caught every second of this mysterious scene. Picture this. A Ring camera recorded a peculiar scene. An SUV pulled up, and a man inside abruptly fired a paint gun at another person.
Hello. Cut the grass. I think I said
Hi. We'll be right there.
why?
It might seem like a prank, but the peril lies in the shock it brings. There's this guy sneaking around, acting all sneaky like he's gonna grab someone's packages. But guess what? The homeowner catches him red-handed.
Yeah, I was delivering to packages. I delivered them earlier, and I just wanted to make sure that they were the right ones because I got the wrong address.
Who do you work for? Who did you deliver from?
UPC.
That.
Delivery. I was just double check on this.
Did you steal our packages the other day?
Actually, no. That was still.
Where's your, do you have any, documentation that you actually work for UPS?
I'll get it for you right now.
In this video, a Ring camera captured a really wild scene. There's this guy who's had way too much to drink. He's all wobbly and stumbling around like a tipsy penguin. It's kind of scary though, because he's super determined to get inside this house. He's like a bull in a china shop, slamming into the door over and over, even though it's pretty clear he's not thinking straight. It's not just reckless, it's downright dangerous. People should be careful when they party hard, because things can go south real quick. Thankfully, the camera's there to show us how things went down.